Welcome to the project demonstration of vehicle security system by using GSM, GPS and IoT feature. So in this project we have the features like fuel indication using ultrasonic sensor, and next alcohol detection as well as accident detection with help of this switch, and engine overheat detect with help of this LM35 temperature sensor. And based on these three abnormal conditions, nothing but when alcohol is detected, or accident detector, or a fuel level is low, or temperature of this engine is overheated, then in between these four conditions we are going to send the SMS alerts with help of this GSM module, and location alerts with help of the GPS module, and all these alerts will be sent to the Blynk application also with help of this ESP8266 module, and so-called status is continuously displayed on the 16:2 LCD module. So all these input sensors like switch and ultrasonic sensor, alcohol, LM35 are interfaced to PIC 16F877A microcontroller, which is a 40 pin. So coming to this motherboard, so this motherboard will work under 5 volts, and all the input and output modules also work under 5 volts. So that 5 volts will be given to this motherboard with help of this adapter. The adapter will take 230 volts input and provide us 5 volts output. So if you want to demonstrate this project with battery, just disconnect this USB slot and reconnect this to the power bank. And coming to the interfacing connections, so we have interfaced the SR04 at E1 and E2 pin, and alcohol sensor at A1 pin, and LM35 this one at A0 pin, and the accident detection switch was attached at the D1 pin, and the LCD module B2 to B7, and the GSM module at C6 C7, and Wi-Fi module at B0 B1, and the GPS module connected at D7 pin, and LED indication at D2 pin. So coming to this motherboard, so from these 5 pins we are going to load a X code into the microcontroller. X code nothing but the code, so main C code, and this one is the restart switch to reset the microcontroller. And next, so we have placed the capacitor in order to remove the power fluctuations, and this one is the crystal oscillator. So the crystal oscillator is used to provide the 20 mega clock pulse in our project to the PIC microcontroller. The main purpose of this crystal oscillator is, so we have provided a set of instructions to read the input and output modules. So these instructions will be executed based on the clock inputs. So per one clock, system will execute one instruction. Like that we are providing 20 mega clock pulses to the microcontroller per second, so that controller can execute 20 mega instructions per second. So this LED is a power LED indication. So let us see the demonstration. Before switching on this cage, the very first step is insert a valid SIM card into the GSM modem. So that should be micro SIM card. So, and it should have the SMS balance or main balance. Better to use Airtel or VI SIM card, so that you will get the perfect SMS replies. Insert in this manner. The notch should be in this side. So push to lock and push to unlock. So after this first setup, then install a Blynk application in your phone. So and log into the Blynk application from the given credentials. So log into that and change the hotspot settings of your phone. Go to hotspot settings of your phone. So change the hotspot name to, configure that to project 5055 without any space, without any capital letter. I'm repeating that. And password should be 129. So after that, enable the hotspot along with data. Okay. So right, after enabling the hotspots and data, then first step, as we said, insert SIM card. It should have the valid SMS balance or main balance, and hotspot and data. Then after that only provide the power supply. And here one more step is there. Third step is hold this reset switch. Hold it. So the purpose of this one is we should hold the microcontroller till the GSM modem get the signal. So here the signal indication is, you can see the light is blinking very fast. So once it gets the signal, the blinking rate slows down. Right, now it slows down. For the confirmation, you can make a call to the SIM card, you will get the ring instead of getting switched off. And now remove that. And the one more main important thing is you should demonstrate this project under the sky view, then only the GPS will get the live location and it will provide that live location to us. So here one more thing we forgot to place a object in front of the ultrasonic sensor. So the purpose of the ultrasonic sensor is it will check the liquid surface level. So in this one we have one transmitter and one receiver. So when the transmitter transmits the ultrasonic waves, then the surface of any object, whether it is like a water or any solid object, so that surface will be reflect this ultrasonic waves and that will be received by this receiver module. So based on this time interval difference, then the microcontroller will calculate the distance and we programmed that to convert the distance to the percentage of the fuel level. So now when it is coming to near to the system, near to ultrasonic sensor, you can observe the percentage of the fuel level is increasing. When it is moving far away, it will be decreasing. So when it is below 30%, then it will send the SMS alerts. So the SMS consists of driver details along with phone number and bus number and his name. So if you demonstrate this project under the sky view, as we discussed initially, there is a light indication for the GSM modem, it's blink slowly, and GPS also we have one more light indication. So when it blinks, then only it will provide us the exact latitude longitude values. Otherwise initially we observed that there is a 0 value display. Okay, and now so let us demonstrate for the initially accident detection. So when the switch got pressed, so accident alert displayed on the LCD screen and we will get the message alert to the predefined store number. So we got the message. So here we got the message. Let me show you initially about the messages, accident detected and the speed also. So we have here one more feature, high speed detection. So here we are going to get the speed from the GPS. So here we are exactly. And then next, coming to the Blynk application also. There the black dot is a Blynk like our application data. So right, so as we said accident we got the message, and coming to the alcohol also, just we are showing the marker as it contains alcohol. There is a light indication over here, we can observe that, and we'll get the same alerts into the message alerts. Okay, and continuous local streaming. So and this consists of like driver name and phone number and bus number. Alcohol is detected along with the location link, and you can observe the fuel level also will be varies when I moving the surface near to the system. So if is there any system like hang-ups, you can restart the system. Yeah, right. So you can observe the data uploading to the ThinkSpeak, and next coming to the overheating. So just I'm placing a heater near to the ultrasonic sensor. Right. So high temperature notification alert will be sent to the Blynk as well as message alerts. Right. So high temperature, alcohol, and low fuel level also. So when the fuel level is 0%, so fuel level alert will be sent to the system. So we can observe that. Fuel level alerts. So there we'll get the driver name and phone number so that we can inform to him directly about the refuel of this system. Right. So we can continuously streaming the so-called data to the Blynk application. So you should have more data while demonstration. Thank you.